We have Gladys. Gladys! The eagle. I'm gonna call her. She knows yours. Gladys! Hi, baby. Gladys, come down. Come on, baby. Here she comes. Oh my goodness. Gladys! Oh my God, these beasts are so much energy. She go round and round and round and round, round and round. Hi, Gladys. Round and round the mulberry bush. Gladys, come down. All right. Well, there she is, guys. Bye. There's Willie. Hi, Willie.
He usually scares everyone away.
He gets mad.
He does.
Here's Cotty. You guys check this out. There's a little tiny turtle. He's a little tiny. Little tiny turtle. Little tiny turtle. Willie,
Stop pooping up here.
stop pooping up here. You always got poop up here.
I'll put a diaper on you.
They're screaming at these. They scream at the boys. Oh my God! Shut up!